All right, guys, I'm actually very excited to see these. Yes, I got them early, and I'm actually very excited of the simple fact that I have become a huge fan of the AE line of Anthony Edwards, obviously, guys. And I know exactly what they are already. I want to get the first impression, and I gotta share it with you guys. Run my intro. Let's not even waste no more time. Let's get into these bad boys immediately. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things, guys. Yes, we got them right here. They're in the unit area, guys. Relax, bro. I gotta get it out of the way so I can do the hand gestures. You guys are ready for this? You guys are ready for this? I mean, I'm hoping that they are. Guys, I'm expecting a lot of things coming in, and I'm actually gonna do a video after this. I don't know if I'm gonna do it after this or probably before this. I don't know. I'm gonna do a video there of, you know, a couple of changes that I gotta do to my collection and stuff like that, and a little conversation between you guys, me and my YouTube fam. Anyways, guys, let's not waste time anymore. Let's get into this immediately. Of course, before I even cut the massive cleaver. Yes, guys, ultimate protection. Let's go. Ultimate protection, you're kind of slacking. Ultimate protection. Yeah. Here we go. All right. Let's see. You guys remember the AE1, right? With the box and everything. It was great presentation, guys. Let's see what this is all about. All right. I don't know if this is the way it comes from factory, but hey, it is what it is, man. Let's check this out. Oh, man, I like the box, dude. The box is nice, man. Wow. Wow. Let me put that to the side, guys. I don't know if that comes with a presentation or not. Whatever, it is what it is. So far, very nice. And I already feel... Ooh. So, these are the things, man. These are the things that just dope, man. Look at that. What a beautiful way of opening the box, man. What a nice presentation. I like it, bro. I like it a lot. Ooh. Check this out, man. Oh, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, the AE2s are in the building. Yes, yes, yes. Little extra laces right there. These are nice, dude. Yes, guys, I got them through StockX. Ah, man, these are nice. I couldn't wait on these, man. I could not wait on these. Whoa. Why am I even going to keep talking? Boy, these are bad, son. These are bad. Wait, I need a couple of days, of course, guys, like always, you know. But man, out of what I'm seeing right there, look, guys, let me see. Wait, before I even keep going. Let me see what's going on here. Very nice, very, very nice. Let me get all the tags out of the way so you guys can take a quick glimpse. You know, I'll bring you guys the whole detail, the whole shebang. Let me get the extra laces out of the way. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Man, no wonder, man, what's happening with Nike and Jordan is just going downhill, boy, real fast. That I actually saw a video of another fellow YouTuber talking about, you know, it's like everything in this life, guys. You know, he was insulted by 1 billion people when he said that why is it that Jordan is actually dying. He actually did the video after I did mine. But the reality is that, you know, odds are he's looking at this video too, and the reality there's a lot of factors. Like, this was one person that commented, and he actually said, I think it's the other way around. I think people with the ASICs and the New Balances and all that is in the hype train. Well, just to open up that mind a little bit, just like that other YouTuber said, you know, obviously, guys, nowadays, when you're a person that says the truth, that is like the worst thing in the world nowadays. You guys know this already. That's why I like my audience. And of course, the people that like to live in La La Land, you know, they sneak in. It is what it is. But like he said, if that was the fact, it wouldn't be hitting for 4 or 5 years the way it's been hitting, guys. You know, this is not a thing. Don't let these people in the comment section lie to you or nothing like that. You know, that's a person that obviously has no idea anything about shoes. You know, doesn't follow anything. That's just a person that just spews diarrhea out of the mouth. And that fellow YouTuber, I'm gonna keep my name, the name out of the channel, not in a bad way or anything like that. I say, I'm actually all for all the YouTubers out there, man, for them to make their money and stuff like that. But once again, I'm cut by a whole different tree when it comes to these individuals, dude. You know, I stick to my own lane. I don't care about, you know, messing around with any of their situations. That's the way they do. That's how they have their crowd, or whether they're lying to the crowd or not. You know, I just say, do your research, you know, and like I said a little while ago, guys, there's some people that like to be lied to. That is the world that we're living in nowadays, that when you are a truthful person and you say the truth, you are the bad guy. That's just the way life works. And then there's the people that like the truth. In my case, I like people that are realistic and keep their head on their shoulders correctly, you know. But it's like everything in this life. And these shoes have been hitting for 4 or 5 years real hard. ASICs, New Balances, selling, and they sell out instantly. And you go, they drop a new Cayano 14, gone. They drop an 1130, gone. 2160, gone. They just fly. Just, it is what it is. And it's there for a reason. It's for a reason. Same with Adidas. Now it's picking up dramatically. Why? I'm sorry to say, they're making a great product. A very good product that is blowing Nike out of the water. Don't get me wrong, Nike has done certain things that are really nice, like the Pegasus Premium. Those are sweet, bro. Those are nice, and you know they're doing their thing. They're doing their thing. You know, Nike is still the big dog. You know, when it comes to. But realistically talking, man, they're knocking them across the head in quality, presentation, silhouettes. And a lot more nicer things, bro. Let's just put it like that. You know, I don't know if the video is gonna come out after or before. I'll probably do it before. I don't know. I'll probably do the video after. Whatever it is, you guys know exactly probably what I'm talking about right now for the true followers of the channel. But yes, that's beautiful for now. I'll bring you guys the whole review, obviously. And like always, guys, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Keep the head on the shoulders. Don't be one of these people, you know. So I could not say so much, you know. You know how the world is. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. El Coede.